So what's up everyone? Thanks again for tuning in to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and Megan is behind the camera. And today we're going to show you some new detailing goodies we have in our arsenal. And we're going to work with them on this very dirty white Tesla. We can show some real cars, real dirt, especially here on the lower arches, and also on the wheel arches. Here's a lot of dirt. So if I would wet my finger a little bit, you can really see the difference. And the same goes here for these parts. Here it's also very, very dirty here. So that all needs to be cleaned. So enough said, let's go to the first step and do some pre-washing. So new in the CarCare 24 program are those new IK spray bottles and also foam sprayers. You have a normal spray bottle, you also have a spray bottle that goes 360 degrees around. You have a pump sprayer that also makes really nice thick foam if you want to do it with a hand foamer, as we call it. But in this video we're going to use the normal IK sprayer and the IK 360 sprayer. And I want to use this one to fill it up with the Orange Cleaner and Degreaser from Decon Concentrate. Needs a dilution ratio between 1:5 and 1:10, but I'm gonna do it 1:5 since the contamination is quite a lot on the rear and on the lower parts of the car. So I put it in 100 ml of Orange Cleaner and Degreaser. Can we come a little bit closer? You can see it here. Yeah. And the rest I'm gonna add with tap water. So 1:5 means that I have to add 500 ml of running tap water. So I'm gonna in total have 600 ml in the bottle. So as you can see here, there's 100 ml of Decon Orange Degreaser. And we're gonna fill it up 1:5 up to 600 ml of running tap water. Here we go. Here we go. Perfect. Nice thing about the spray is that the nozzle on the bottom is a little bit heavy, so you can easily direct it into the bottle. Twist it here. Open the nozzle on the front. This sprays away very, very, very nicely. You let it cure for, let's say, 30 to 60 seconds. And this cleaning emulsion will make your life much, much easier. Here especially, this is super dirty here in the lower parts. We should be really able to see a good difference in the next shot when we rinse it off. I found here on my detailing card the Alba foam from ProElite, and I want to give that a go in this video as well. Always work with lukewarm water because lukewarm water mixes soap the best. So I'm first going to fill up my bottle half with slowly running lukewarm to warm tap water. Here we go. And let's add 200 ml of Alba Snow Foam. Am I already on 700? Not yet. Not yet. Here we go. Wat deed je daar? Ja, ja. So here we go. Add some more water to it. So let's attach the snow foam lens to the bottle. Here we go. Like this. And connect it with the foam lens. Let's put some, open the tap and switch on the pressure washer. So this is actually first time live. I haven't tested this before, but there's always something new to learn every day. It's super thick. We could easily have diluted this much less. I can already actually see the Orange Degreaser doing its job. If you see how much dirt it's already gliding off the surface, if you look at it here, how brown all the foam is. So that's all kind of all contamination that we don't have to wash off anymore. And with that, a pre-wash with the 1 to 5 diluted Decon Orange Degreaser really does its job. Now we let the foam cling off, and then we rinse off the car with high pressure, and then the actual washing process will start. Let's check it out around the car on the sides. If we can catch some dirt here, we really can. Also here, it's very clear what the Orange Degreaser is taking down on dirt. Works really well. And super cheap and super versatile. Perfectly for professional detailing. Let me get my MEGAnozzle. So until recently we always used these MTM nozzles. But sometimes colleagues don't lay them back where they belong, and then they're more or less always gone when you would need them. And now you've got like all these separate nozzles in one. And now I'm gonna put it here on 40 degrees, which is this angle, which is fine for me. So let's start rinsing and see what we already have released on dirt. Here I've got my Decon BootyCleaner, and it's just attached to the high pressure washer, and it looks like this when I twist it on. 4 nozzles, very low. You probably won't find an undercarriage rinsing attachment that is as low as this, and especially if you have low cars or lowered cars, this is perfectly. So because it fits almost everywhere. Ferraris, McLarens, low BMWs. We tested it on a lot of cars, and we just used this to clean the lower parts and the bottom of the car, as well as going behind the wheels to rinse there as well. Here we go. So that was the BootyCleaner. It always comes as a set, so you can have more attachments, so you can decide how long do you want to make it or not. But it's super useful to come behind the wheels, to get the undercarriage, to clean the bottom of the car. And it's very practical and very powerful as well as with those small wheels on the end of the tube. It fits, I would say, 99.9% of all low cars as well. So thank you much for watching this first episode on cleaning a very dirty white Tesla. In this case we did the pre-cleaning with the new IK 360 bottles with the Decon Orange Degreaser 1 to 5 diluted inside. You could have seen how well it pre-cleansed. Then we completely snow foamed the car up with ProElite Alba Snow Foam, and I diluted it a little bit too thick. I did a 1 to 5, but I think 1 to 10 will even also be very good and still have a thick kind of snow foam. But we could have seen the cleaning power and all the dirty foam that came to the lower parts of the car. Then we used this Decon BootyCleaner to clean the lower parts and the undercarriage and the wheel arches of the car. Yeah, so pretty much on the first step on how to wash and detail a very dirty car was really good. I really hope you like this video. If you didn't do it already, please give it a thumbs up so we can make more cool content for you guys and girls, as well as hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon, so every time we do an upload you get notified ASAP weekly. Thanks again for watching this video. For me it's time to clean everything up here and move over to the next one. Bye bye.